Let's go, let's go. Let's do the repair together. Let's see. I'm gonna take out my camera, put it on my bench, and I'll show you guys how to fix it like a pro. Like a pro, like a pro. What's up everyone, it's your boy Anas from Battery Shack coming at you today with another repair video. In this video I'll be showing you how to do an iPhone XS screen replacement. And make sure you stick with this video all the way to the end. You will learn how to fix your iPhone X screen like a pro. Because I'll be showing you and guiding you all the way, step by step, on how to do an iPhone XS screen replacement. And no worries, all the tools and the parts are in the description below, so make sure you check them out. If you see this picture right here, it's your iPhone XS screen that comes with all the tools and the parts that you need to complete your iPhone repair. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, hit the bell notification button, that way you'll get notified every time I release an iPhone repair video. Enough talking, follow me to my bench and let's do the repair together. Alright guys, so this is our iPhone XS that has a cracked screen. As you see, I just plugged the charger in it and that's what the screen looks like. If yours looks like this, leave a comment below with the yes. If it gets worse, tell me, or snap a picture and upload it and tell me how does your screen look. But anyway, let's jump right into it. First thing you need to do, you need to remove these two screws right here, the two pentalobe. You need your pentalobe screwdriver. And no worries, your screen comes with all the tools that you need. Just unscrew them. You got two on the bottom. And you can put these two screws to the side. And then next you gotta pry your screen. You can give it a heat a little bit, or if you don't want to do that, you don't have to. Just pry it up a little bit with your metal tool, and then get your plastic tool over here and just move it all around the screen from side to side, just like that. And then lift it up and lay it to the side. Okay, and then you need your Y-shape screwdriver. You gotta open all these 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 screws. Under these 5 screws, this is your iPhone XS screen cables, and then that's your iPhone XS proximity sensor. And don't worry, we're gonna do the iPhone XS screen replacement together. Just move all the screws one by one. Next thing you want to do, you want to remove the metal shield that's protecting your iPhone XS screen cable and battery cable and proximity sensor cable. Just remove it gently and remove it slowly and it should come out. Next thing you want to do, just right away, this is your iPhone XS battery. Make sure you disconnect the iPhone XS battery cable first, so that way we get no power to the iPhone XS. That's your cable. We disconnected it. Now we're going to disconnect the screen cable. Here is your iPhone XS screen cable. It's a cable number 1. Or maybe you can just lift it if you want to, and then they both will come out. Next thing you want to do, you want to remove your proximity sensor from the screen. That's the easiest way to do it. And as you see, we got, I believe, 3 screws. There's one here, another one here, and that's the third one on the side. So I can zoom in over here to show you guys exactly what's going on. That way you can enjoy this repair together with me and do the iPhone XS screen replacement. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel. That way it will help me and support me to make more videos for you guys. Now I took one screw already. Now I'm going to take in the second screw that's next to the speaker Now the third screw is right here on the side. We'll have plastic rubber on top of it, even if you just remove it slowly. Or maybe you can just put your screwdriver on top and open it, and it seems like it's coming out. There you go. Just make sure you put them in the same order as you see right here, how I'm doing it. I got the proximity sensor screw here, and then the second screw right there, and then the third one on the side, so I know how they go back. Next, flip your earpiece speaker like that, and then what you want to do, you want to heat up the speaker from the iPhone XS front screen. So you can use a heat gun or you can use a blow dryer. Just give it a little bit of heat. That should be enough heat. Now you can flip your iPhone XS screen, get your plastic pry opener tool and put it from the bottom just like that, and pry it open very slow. And then once you remove everything should be like a piece of a cake. It comes out really easy. And guys, give this video a like if you enjoyed it so far. Here you go, your old iPhone XS screen has been removed from the iPhone XS successfully. And then I'm going to show you what is your new iPhone XS screen look like. This is the part, but of course when we buy them without tools because we already have the tools. But the one in the link below in the description, make sure to check it out. That will come with all the tools and everything should be set to go. That's your new screen. You can leave this plastic blue thing on there, or you can remove it, but I'm just gonna remove it. Or you can keep it. It doesn't hurt to keep it. It doesn't do any good, or it doesn't do anything bad to the screen. So here's our screen. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna assemble the earpiece speaker back into the screen. Let's do it. Here you go, guys. Make sure you do it slowly. That's your earpiece speaker. That's your sensor there. Just put it back into the hole. I zoomed in to show you how to put the earpiece speaker to the iPhone XS back the same way that it was. Here you go. This one is pushed all the way in perfectly. The earpiece speaker is in. This one here is in. Now we just flip it back. Now remember, we're gonna put the 3 screws 1, 2, 3. So I'll show you. I'll zoom out and I'll show you so you guys can see exactly what's happening. So I laid them out like that, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna put the first screw, and hopefully guys are getting some value out of this iPhone XS screen replacement. And basically now you learned how to do an iPhone XS screen repair. Here is your second screw. Just put it back in there, and we got one more screw. But stick to this video all the way to the end. I'm going to show you a trick on how to make your iPhone XS water resistant again. Now I'm going to zoom in just to show you how to put that last screw. Alright guys, as you can see, I put in the last screw over here. Now next, what you want to do, flip your iPhone this way. Let me zoom out so you can see what's happening. Alright, we're almost done. Stick with me, stay with me to the end. Okay, so now we got those 2 iPhone XS cables, and we got the battery cable. And then once we're done, we can put the shield back in there. Basically hold the phone like that. Hold your screen sideways, and you gotta push the cable in. You will feel it clip. It's very hard to work with the gloves, but I have to wear gloves because of the COVID-19. So just do it slowly, take your time. You cannot rush it. Pull one back in there. Very good. If you push too hard, you break the pins on the iPhone XS board, or you will break the pins on your iPhone XS screen. So do it slowly, take your time, and I promise you we'll go in. Went in. Now what we're gonna do, this is your battery cable here. I'm gonna zoom in just so you can see a little bit. Just flip it and push it. Make sure the battery is connected. Give it another push. Give the iPhone XS rubbing cable screen small push. That way we make sure everything is perfect. Now power the phone back on before we seal it completely. Make sure that the new screen replacement is working. Anyway, here you go. We got a complete picture. So I'm gonna plug it to the charger while we're putting the metal shield back in there. I'm gonna flip it very, very gently and lay it to the side. And you remember this shield? The sexy shield, guys. Now we're gonna put our screws back in order that we took them out. So now there's an option for you. Now once you open your iPhone XS screen and disassemble it from the iPhone XS, your phone will not be water resisting anymore. So what you can do, you can remove all of the old adhesive and put a new adhesive. You can put, sometimes the screen comes with adhesive like this one. You peel it out, you put it all around the frame, and then you put your phone on top of it. But I don't like that type of adhesive, so I'm just going to show you a way that you can do it. Now you can see I took out the tape out of the frame here. I'm just going to do a little bit just for the sake of this tutorial. But after you remove everything, what you can do, you can use this B7000 glue. You can use it for phones, iPad, tablets, anything you want. This will make your iPhone XS water resisting, and it will help make your screen flush to the frame. So again, make sure you clean everything. I'm just gonna do it like that on top of the old one just for the sake of this tutorial. Just move it around, and now we're gonna put the iPhone screen in an angle like that and press down, hold it from the top, press from the bottom, and then press from the side. And then we gotta put the 2 pentalobe screws. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, leave a comment below, tell me how you like this tutorial, if it helped you fixing your iPhone XS screen. And I'll see you on the next one, and make sure you watch the other videos on the side. And if you would like to subscribe, you can just subscribe, hit the bell notification button, or hit the circle where you see my picture. I'll see you in the next one. I love you all. Peace out.